How to not get banned from WhatsApp Business. Now, if you don't want to get banned from using WhatsApp Business, first of all, you should know about their rules and policy on the application use term. You just simply need to open any of the browser and search for WhatsApp Business rules or policies, and there will be a tons of link directly from WhatsApp telling you what you should and should not do in WhatsApp Business in order to keep your account safe in there. You can read through all of these. One of the most common things that you should not do in order to be safe in WhatsApp is you should not share any nudity in there, and you should not promote something violence, sexual, and aggressive in nature. And then most of the times you will be safe, but always make sure that you read the rules of WhatsApp Business. I hope this video have been informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.